The convex surface of a thin concavo-convex lens of glass of refractive index 1.5 has a radius of curvature 20 cm. The concave surface has a radius of curvature 60 cm. The convex side is silvered and they placed on the horizontal surface as shown. Where should a pin be placed on the axis so that its image is formed at the same place? Fine. Now first of all, the radius of curvature of this surface is 60 cm and the radius of curvature of this surface is 20 cm. That is given to me. Let's say the pin is at a distance x from the lens. Alright, now first of all, refraction will take place from the concave surface. So I'll use this formula, mu1 by u minus mu2 by v is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r. So for this, the value of u will be minus x, mu1 is 1, mu2 is 1.5, and the value of r is minus of course it will be minus and minus of 60. So substituted, I have mu1 as 1 minus of x minus mu2 by v. This will be v1 is equal to mu1 minus mu2, that is minus of 0.5 minus of 60. So the value of mu2 is again 1.5. I should substitute over here. So on solving this, I get the value of v as minus of 180x by 120 plus x. Now the minus sign just shows that image is formed on right hand side itself. So the distance from the lens is only 180x, 120 plus x. Fine. Now this is the distance of the first image from the lens. This image will act as an object for the concave mirror. So I'll use the mirror formula now. Here focal length will be equal to minus of r by 2, that is minus of 30 cm. U will be equal to v1. This is v1 with a negative sign of course. So 1 by v2 minus 180x, that will be 120 plus x by 180 with a negative sign is equals to minus of 1 by 30. So the value of v2 comes out to be 180x by 120 minus 17x. Now this is the distance of the third image from the lens. This will act as an image, this will act as an object again for this refracting surface. So I'll again use this very formula, that is mu1 will now be 1.5 and image distance is this, that is 180x into 120 minus 17x, of course with a negative sign, minus mu2 is 1. The final image is formed at a distance x and of course it is on the right hand side, so positive, and that is equal to minus of 1 by 60 into 0.5. Fine. So just solve this equation, you get the value of x as 15 cm with a negative sign. Negative sign just shows that the image is formed on the right hand side. So the value of x is 15 cm. That is the answer.